Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my February 2022 Pink Box Hair Accessories subscription box unboxing. I love this box. I am so excited to show you what comes in the February Love box. And this box just always does the cutest themes, so I am so excited to see what their February Love themed box is going to look like. So if you're not familiar with Pink Box, it is a monthly hair accessories subscription box, which I find this so unique. It's $23.99 a month, but I do have a 20% off discount code. So the code is Christy20. I'll of course have this information in the description down below as well. And a disclaimer that this box is sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I just love to show you what comes in my monthly boxes. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Oh my gosh. Like, what was I saying? How cute this is. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to see what these are going to look like. I just love Valentine's Day and pink and hearts. So these are the types of hair accessories that I would probably find myself wearing most often year round. But to have something also on theme for Valentine's Day is so cute and exciting for me because I just love to wear themes, you know? Christmas comes around, of course I'm wearing Christmas sweaters. I even have a Halloween sweater vest. And when it comes to Valentine's Day, I have so many options to wear that are on theme for Valentine's Day. So I'm really excited to add some hair accessories to that as well. So let's start with this headband here, which is really standing out to me. I have actually started wearing headbands again, and I probably had not worn headbands since I was in like elementary school, but I love it. This one is so cute. It's a great pink color and it's squishy. Oh wow, it says handmade on it, which is really cool. So I still haven't decided like what's my best way to wear a headband. Is it to slick my hair back the way I used to? Is it to leave my hair still in a part, some of it up out front? No, I don't feel like that looks right either. Maybe I don't need a part. It's like headbands should be so easy to wear, but I don't know the best way to wear it. Like this is how I used to wear headbands, but is this the trend? I don't know. It's very comfortable this way. Maybe I'll wear it like this for the video. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. Oh, and then this is also perfect for me. This is so cool. It's a claw clip, but it's just this gold kind of outline of a clip. This is so cute. And this size clip is what I am always wearing. Like if I'm doing my skincare routine, usually I'm just clipping my hair back with a clip just like this, but this is so cute and stylish, and I could just wear this to kind of amp up a hairdo. Love that. I love claw clips. I was hoping I would get some scrunchies as well. Oh, and these are so cute. I love that they didn't go overly cheesy Valentine's Day. It's more just like very wearable anytime, more muted tones of pink. So we've got like almost like a corduroy texture here. This is like a velveteen type of texture, a little bit silky too. And then like a cotton pink. So if I'm not wearing a headband, a claw clip, then I'm definitely wearing a scrunchie. I truly never stopped wearing scrunchies, and I'm so glad that now they are in style and I can grow my scrunchie collection again. Like these are just so me. I am gonna get so much use out of those scrunchies. Oh my gosh, another headband, and this I feel like is like the trendy type of headband. It has the tie to it, and this is almost like a suede kind of material. Let's see, maybe I should switch up my headbands and put this one on. Do a little trial. But I have actually been loving these knotted headbands. I got an adorable brown one in my pink box last month, and it is just so flattering and stylish. This one, is it as flattering? Does this look right? If you have any hairstyling tips, please help me out in the comments down below. But then we also got, oh my gosh, I love these. These are metal, but they're gold and they're bow-shaped clips. Let's pull one out to take a look at it. Ooh, and these are going to have good hold because they have some spikes on the back to hold on, and then it just clips closed. This is adorable. I love bows, but once again, not like a cheesy little kiddish type of bow. These are definitely suitable for someone my age, maybe a little older, but also could go younger, but they're not like cheap, cheesy hair accessories then. That's what I really appreciate about this box. Oh my gosh. And then the final thing in here, this is amazing. See, this is not a hair accessory, but this is still an amazing accessory. So it's a little coin, well, not a coin purse necessarily. Like you could put coins in here, but it's like a little card purse. You can put some cards in here. The see-through heart there. So cute. This is actually perfect because a lot of times I don't want to bring a whole big wallet or my whole purse if I'm just running out somewhere real quick. This is the perfect little thing to bring with me because it still has the zipper so you can keep things securely inside of it. But it's also so adorable, like this faux leather. Wow, so cute. I'm so excited that they put another type of accessory in this box as well. That's such a fun surprise. But wow, aren't these products so cute? This box just makes me so happy. I'm sure you can tell. And I have just found so much joy also in using these hair accessories whenever I feel like I'm in a hairstyle rut, or, you know, it's been a couple days since I last styled my hair and I still want to make my hair look nice and presentable, but I don't want to throw it up in another bun. Then I could do like a hair clip, a headband like this, and I reach for these accessories to give me that inspiration and, of course, put in my hair to make it look so much cuter. And I really do feel like it amps up my look. So if maybe you're feeling in a hair accessories rut, maybe think about getting this subscription. So if you do get this subscription, I would love to hear what kind of hairstyles you've been doing with the accessories that you get. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.